said to me, is this the best ride in the park? Somebody told me.
I like the Kong ride the best.
The Kong?
Or
is that a 3D one?
Yeah. Oh, it's a simulator 3D. Or the Incredible Hulk coaster.
Yeah, the coaster. Where used to coast? The 3D ones out.
Spider-Man's good too.
Yeah, we
3D.
did,
Yeah.
The Harry Potter one.
All right, fun. Ooh. Here we go.
Look at this, guys. Be careful because there is breeding of dinosaurs now. They have that. They do that.
Remember, you can't always believe what your dad says.
NASA does it on the moon.
Breeding dinosaurs on the moon.
Jurassic Park. Dinosaurs in this movie are among the largest creatures ever.
Yeah, watch out, they'll spit on you.
Yet despite their awesome size, these gentle giants pose no threat to us.
It's gonna be close. There's a little guy. Oh. River Adventure. The River Adventure. Yeah, what dinosaur is that? Stegosaurus? Oh, there's another one.
Jurassic Park scientists provide our reservoirs with plenty of vegetation from their native periods, ensuring long, healthy lives for these magnificent
pretty nice.
I wonder how it takes to maintain that rubber.
Oh, there's the water. There he is. He's gonna try to shoot us.
Look, baby, there's a whale.
Next up on our tour,
A whale.
Dinosaur Coast.
There we go. Hopefully the water don't mess it up.
Cranial predators.
There we go. Tupac. Oh, J-Pac. Okay. Uh-oh, they tore up that fence up there. Oh, there's one in the bushes. Look at the baby ones fighting over there.
If anyone can hear me,
There, I'll block. There's T-Rex. Why did I get like halfway soaked?
That raptor was cool. Or that,
Did you get wet? I think I got soaked, kind of. I didn't want to get wet. I might go on the people dryer this time. Good ride though, right? I love it. I love it. It's fun. It's relaxing.
Woo! Do that again.
we are.
We can do it right now. So 10 minutes. There's no wait. Look,
Ma,
there's no
you
one
should
in
look
here.
at the T-Rex.
I tried.
You did?
It's refreshing. It's good.
Yeah.
You did?
I love the drop.
I tried.
The drop wasn't miserable either. It was like the perfect amount of drop.
Sit out to your right.
Can we go again?
If you can, you just have to go back a line.
Got it. Oh, thank you, thank you. Have fun, have fun. Hats, t-shirt, Jurassic Park, little stuff. More t-shirts and beach towels. Jurassic Park shorts.
I think if you wear something Disney Universal, you shouldn't be allowed.
Wait, what?
Something Disney.
Yeah, you shouldn't be allowed in it for wearing Disney stuff. I like this.
Mickey Mouse ears over there.
That's kind of not very bright. I like some of this stuff. Ooh, it's a fanny pack in Universal Studios. Oh, the merch. Oh, little stuffies. A t-shirt's $23 for kids. Just to let you know. There's a girl's t-shirt, tank tops, and more. Free the dinosaurs. We got the toys. Let's see what else we got. Fill a dino for $22. You fill this thing up.
and I've always paid about.
Kind of expensive for plastic dinosaurs. I think it's pretty cool. All right, now that we've seen all the little toys, Jurassic Park people. Coins made, of course. All right, now we're good now. Let's get out of here.